There's Favero on the outside of the tent, pecking, trying to get in the tent when the door is right there and open. I put food in there for him, and they just destroy it, kick it everywhere, and into the water especially, and all over the top of that. And they're in here burying himself, just bathing. This comes behind you, and I can't quite see that through that net. Nah, you nutbag. Of course, they kick this stuff out here, and we have to sweep it all the time. Chocolate's over there, buried up to her head, and Favero just walks right on her. So rude. Chicken. So rude. It seems when we leave the door open, they don't mind being in there so much. Are you pecking at me? Chocolate buries herself again. Don't you end the video, you little shitter. Looks like she's going to get walked on again. No, there's Favero laying down next to her. That's a bottom of a thing of head of lettuce where I wedged it in there. Something for him to play with. Over there is... Oh, I didn't even get near you. Over there is one of the boredom buster things. Ah! Chicken! You're crazy. Yeah, she's just neurotic. You're so dirty, chicken.
She's filthy number 2.
Yeah, just about.
Honestly, no, she is filthy number 10. She's so filthy.
Filthy chicken. Oh, I was saying when we leave the door open, they don't seem to mind being in there so much. They come and go as they want. Just leave the curtain shut in the kitchen when we go in the front room, so they're just playing around. They haven't jumped on the counters at all either. You're a nutbag, Favero.